Hey guys, my cell phone head mount didn't come in today. I'm a little bummed about that, but I wanted to show you something pretty interesting. You don't have to spend a whole lot of money to get good knives. You can actually go to the dollar store and get actually good knives for less than you would pay at, say Walmart or any kind of big box store. And I'll show you why. First off, we have, I believe, what is probably a 10 to 12 inch chef knife. And why this makes such a difference is because you can see the blade, the tang goes through the width of the handle. It does not bend easily, and it is very easy to sharpen. Now, if you take something like a titanium 2 knife, we'll take this cleaver right here. See, the tang does not go through the handle. It bends really easy. You can hear that boing, boing. This is not a good knife. You'll probably cause more damage than that. But also, there's a Santoku, which I also got from the dollar store, and the tang goes through the width of the whole blade. And these are actually very easy to sharpen, and it does not give as much, which is really amazing for something you would get from the dollar store, as opposed to something you'd get from Walmart for like, twice the price. It's kind of disappointing. Then we have this. This is a dollar store bread knife. And although it does bend, these points are much sharper than something you would get from Walmart, which is really a cheap piece of crap. I don't know why they even allow this in the store. This thing is dull. It is really horrible. I don't know. But, however, if you're going to purchase knives, you have to have a knife sharpening tool. And I keep this in my bag all the time. This point, which I would love to show you, is for sharpening these little niches on the knife. I don't know. That's a bad knife to show that on, but on a serrated knife, you have to sharpen it differently, because you can't just sharpen it like a normal knife, because that's the whole point of a serrated knife. Anyway, that's about all I got for this video. Sorry. Hopefully I can do a lot better in the future, but thank you for watching.